Hello guys! Today we are going to talk about abstract factory pattern. This pattern gives you ability to create a family of classes with a special factory, but you don't need to specify the concrete class. The factory will decide about the product. Let me show you an example of a close factory app. We are going to have main abstract class that is called close factory with two derived classes, casual close factory and elegant close. We also need a client to buy our products. Products that mean trousers and shirts with a special types: jeans, suit trousers, polo shirts and dress shirt. We're also gonna create connections between the factory and special products to indicate which factory will create which product. Now it looks a little bit complicated, but it will clarify throughout the video. Okay, so let's dive into the code. In the right corner of the screen, you can see a map of this project. There are classes that are actually implemented, they will be highlighted, and the classes that I'm going to implement to make this whole project. So let's create our first class. That will be our clothes factory. It will be an abstract class because we are going to create two special factories to inherit from this one. So let's quickly do this. We are going to add a new folder that will be called factories, and in this folder we can create a casual clothes factory and also the elegant clothes factory. Now, before we're going to inherit from the clothes factory, we can create here two methods. First one will be public abstract, and it will return a shirt, will be called create shirt. And the second one, trousers, create trousers. In a second we are going to make these classes, so there will be no errors. Let's quickly do this. We can make a new folder called abstract products, and in there let's quickly make the shirt class and also the trousers class. Now if we go back to the clothes factory and import the missing references, we are going to see that there are no errors. Let's go back to our implementations of the clothes factory. We see that we need to have the implementations of these classes, create shirt, and we've got this method, the same to create trousers. Let's quickly copy that to the second class. Let's import the references, and what do we have a lack of here is these concrete products. These products that we are going to create in the elegant clothes factory and the casual clothes factory. So let's create a new folder to store our products. Simply call it products, and in there we can make the first one the dress shirt, the second shirt that is a polo shirt, the third one jeans as trousers, and also a suit trousers. We can now make them, each of this class, inherit from an exact type, because the suit trousers should inherit from a trousers class. Also the jeans should do the same. trousers. Yeah, the shirt should inherit from the shirt, the reference, and also this polo shirt. Let's make it inherit. And now we are ready to create our products in our factories. Let's go back to them. Start with the casual clothes. And as a casual shirt, we should return a new polo shirt. Here we can return new pair of jeans because it's a casual clothing. And in this elegant clothes factory, we can return a dress shirt and a suit trousers. Oh, now we got an error because we don't inherit from our clothes factory. Now is everything clear. The last missing thing is our client. Let's make that class because we need someone to buy our products. The client should have a shirt. Let's make it as a read-only private field. Let's call it shirt. And also should have a pair of trousers. Now we can call a constructor that will take a clothes factory as a parameter, and at this factory we'll make a product. So the shirt will be factory method create shirt, and the trousers will be from the factory create trousers. Now we've got that. We can make one more method to describe this client, to describe his clothes. Describe your clothes as a client, and we can here return a string. Today I'm dressed in and our shirt, get type that name, and also our client will be dressed in a pair of trousers, get type dot name. We return the name of this class, so it will be for example dress shirt and polo shirt and jeans, dress shirt and suit trousers. It depends of type of factory that we are going to choose. Let's now put it all together in our program class. First of all, we can create a new client. Let's say an entrepreneur as our elegant factory client. And in the constructor, we are going to make elegant clothes factory. We are going to give them. So now we can call the method describe your clothes, and to make the output clear, let's make it like that, entrepreneur, and entrepreneur dot describe your clothes. Oh, I've already made 2 times this method. We don't need it here because it returns a string. And also let's make a new client. Let's call it student, because students often wears casual clothes. So let's make it like that. Let's pass here to the client constructor a casual clothes factory, and also right line with the student plus student describe your clothes, and that's it. The last thing we should do is to call the read key method to prevent our console from closing. So let's now run this program. And what we've got here, an entrepreneur is dressed in a dress shirt and suit trousers, and a student is dressed in a polo shirt and jeans. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.